pill you can take. There's not a class you can go to. Stupid is forever.
Well, the skies are calm. I don't see anything at the moment. Yep, looks blue to me. But what do I know? They say we need to seek shelter. So I'm seeking shelter. They say it's not safe to be in a vehicle. I'm worried about that there fence. It's plastic. They say to come and knock on our doors. This thing's coming in. I don't know about y'all. The wind is picking up a little bit.
North and South Carolina, so the water levels might be coming up and down, and we're going to be going through multiple tide cycles. We still have hurricane and tropical storm warnings.
I don't know if it's just me, or if y'all see, the Weather Channel people are a little bit dramatic and soap opera-like. Hold on. This, folks, is what I would call a dumbass.
So don't focus on just one characteristic of this hurricane. Focus on what it still is, a very large hurricane. Yes, the winds have come down, and that cuts down on the wind damage, but the large size of what is still a powerful hurricane and its slow motion means everything bad that we've been talking about, a long duration of tropical storm force and hurricane force winds for some over the next few days.
They say to get into a bathtub because it's safe. So folks, I'm going to tell you now, stay safe. I'm going to hide in the closet.